Here are 3 things to help you ask artists questions. 1. Butter them up. It depends on the context, whether you're doing it through Instagram or through TikTok. If it's TikTok, it's a little bit trickier because there's a lot of comments sometimes. But usually what works best is to say, hey, I love your artwork because, and then let them know why it's important to you. And then ask them a question. Number 2, if they're getting a lot of comments, then they might not notice your one comment. But the secret to this is consistency. If you're constantly liking their posts and commenting on their posts and leaving nice comments, then they're sure to reply eventually. And this has happened to me a few times where I commented so many times that eventually I got a reply, which was pretty cool. And number 3. I'm sorry, there's no number 3, but I just want to tell you guys, please subscribe to Digital Pen Pals Podcast because we are here to help you guys artists, and we're approachable, and we're interviewing a bunch of artists, even one artist who makes suitor armor. So go check it out. It's awesome. Link in my bio.